Before we begin our journey into the future of Indian military aviation, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss content on aeronautical technology, defense, combat aircraft, and strategic innovations. Now, get ready to discover the revolutionary AMCA, the pride of India's skies. The Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, or simply AMCA, represents a technological leap that redefines India's ambition to become self-sufficient in aerial power. Developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, and the Aeronautical Development Agency, ADA, the AMCA emerges as India's answer to the need for a truly fifth-generation fighter, capable of rivaling the most sophisticated combat jets in the world. It is born in an era where air superiority is increasingly complex, interconnected, and invisible to the naked eye. Its angular design, shaped carefully to reduce radar signature, gives the AMCA its essential stealth capability. Every surface, every panel, every angle is designed to confuse enemy detection systems. Seen from afar, it blends into the sky. On radar screens, it becomes a ghost, nearly untouchable. The AMCA is not just an aircraft, it is a symbol. Inside its cockpit, sensor fusion technology provides total situational awareness, integrating data into an advanced display that amplifies the pilot's perception. This fighter is truly multi-role. It can execute precision ground strikes, operate as an air superiority platform, intercept threats at short distance, and even perform electronic suppression missions with specialized armament. It mirrors India's evolving strategic doctrine. Its heart beats with high-thrust engines, initially imported but planned to be replaced by domestically developed power plants. Thrust vectoring allows for extreme maneuvers, nearly impossible to follow with the naked eye. The AMCA can turn, climb, dive, and accelerate with the authority of a machine built to face top-tier fighters like the F-35, J-20, and Su-57. At times, it seems to challenge aerodynamics itself. Beneath its fuselage, the AMCA hides a secret. A stealth-enhancing internal weapons bay houses long-range air-to-air missiles, precision-guided bombs, and potentially future hypersonic weapons. It can strike without being noticed. It can neutralize a threat before it even senses danger. It is a silent, lethal, invisible warrior. At night, its near-invisible tactical lighting disappears, turning it into a celestial predator. In joint missions, the AMCA is designed to integrate with multinational military networks, connecting in real time with drones, ground-based radars, warships, and satellites. It is part of a digital combat ecosystem, a warrior that sees beyond the horizon. This interoperability places on a higher level, aligned with modern network-centric warfare concepts. But the AMCA also carries something deeply human. It carries the pride of a nation that, for decades, relied on foreign exports and cooperation to secure its airspace. Now, India raises a technological flag that echoes across the world. We can build our own giant of the sky. The aircraft is more than metal and circuits. It is sovereignty shaped into wings. The development process wasn't simple. Years of studies, prototypes, simulations, and technical debates were needed. Pressure from engineers, test pilots, defense analysts, and the government shaped the program, now ready to challenge global standards. In silent hangars, surrounded by codes and diagrams, experts tested surfaces, analyzed composite materials, calculated loads, vibrations, and invisible stresses. Every detail brings the AMCA closer to perfection. When it finally breaks the sound barrier on a real mission, it won't just be an Indian aircraft soaring. It will be India projecting power. Every takeoff will symbolize the country's entry into the exclusive club of nations capable of building a fifth-generation fighter. The United States, Russia, China, and now India. And that permanently shifts Asia's geopolitical balance. The AMCA's clean gray camouflage hides the glow of its fully digital cockpit. Behind its aerodynamic canopy, the pilot becomes more than a warrior. They become part of an integrated machine, half human, half algorithm, connected to an onboard artificial brain. Threats are tracked automatically, firing solutions calculated in milliseconds. And with a subtle command, the pilot can unleash the invisible fate of the enemy. Fly between clouds, leaving almost no trace. The AMCA cuts through the air as if it were part of it. Below, cities sleep, borders are watched, and a nation rests secure. It does not need a fire to exert power. Sometimes, It only needs to exist, to patrol, silently, vigilantly ready. Thus, the AMCA is not only the next chapter in Indian aviation, it is a manifesto, a silent cry of technological independence, strategic evolution, and national ambition, an aircraft that represents the future, yet already has a place in history.